Back down the house, Dad's on bay window, and I'm on French doors. So the French doors are out. Dad's grinding off the nails through there in the bay window, so he's got the extra fun one. And now I'm just going to take the front door off. What's going on, Harry? What's Grumpy doing? What's he doing? Huh? He is going to turn it off in a minute when he's finished. Oh yeah, one door down. Woo. Sexy. That looks so much better than the old one did. Lovely. And then Dad is currently trimming all the nails that I just took that front door out. So trimming all the nails off there, and I just need to peel all the plastic off. Just gotta wait for this to be done. Woohoo! Hello, sweetheart. And it opens normally, shuts normally. Still got a bit of the plastic tape to take off, but Dad's got a silicone round and need to find some bricks or something to fill the little gaps in, but looking good. And we're on to the finale, which is the big bay window. Luckily Dad knows what he's doing. Nearly there. Bit windy. Moving in day, so it's all looking a bit mental. It's got the main priority, the box. You sorted out all my stuff yet? I seem to have 20 times more stuff than Emily, but she's loving it. She's loving it really. We just need storage, but ready? First ever food shop for our own house. This is going to be fun. Expensive. Remember, we only need bread, butter, and water to live.
No. We need everything.
First night, really prepared obviously, as you can tell. We've actually filled up the wardrobe pretty well, mind. Wow, I say we. Emily has, but I got this little small section. But first night was a success. This all needs to be put somewhere, but we need to afford and pay for cabinets and things. But I've had a shower as well. I say a shower. We haven't actually got a shower curtain for our beautiful shower yet, but that's today. Going to Swindon, shopping outlet, and Dunelm, as we still need curtain poles. We've got curtains, just no curtain poles, so shopping. It's a big moment here. Is it alright?
Yep.
Did you make too much?
Mum will have my lunch tomorrow.
That's alright, that's good. Well done. First meal.
The mint goes out of date soon, so I need to cook it.
Jordan meal.
Keep them closed, don't open them until I say. Now open. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Very good.
Do you like it?
You didn't bake that.
I did.
Did you?
Your mum came down whilst I was baking it, and I actually did, so I had proof that I actually made it myself.
It's very cute. Have you filmed it yet?
Yeah. And I filmed it when it was in the oven, baking.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that you're on there, Em? Is that the Wi-Fi? Oh. Wi-Fi day today. Mummy came and sat down there for us. Woohoo! Got some sexy ass Sky Fiber. I need to go and edit. My video was supposed to be out tonight.